When I was in college, attending worship services at 3 p.m., where Brother Felix was always preaching, imagine that. What a blessing for me. And then he said, I'm not asking you to follow me. Let us all follow the words of God. He said, if I have only the power to embrace all of you, I'll do that. So all of us could go to heaven together. That speaks of so much care and love for the church.
Nagpalaganap siya dito sa Pilipinas. Ginugol niya ang halos buong buhay niya sa pagpapalaganap at pagtuturo ng mga salita ng Diyos. Kaya napatatag ang napakaraming lokal sa buong Pilipinas.
When he would challenge the priests in front of their houses of worship to a debate, so people will know the truth. Imagine such courage. Someone could just shoot him right there and then.
Ayaw niya ng duwag. Basta manindigan ka.
Sapagkat ipinangako naman ng Diyos sa 41 ng Isaias na siya'y gagawing bagong kasangkapang pangkiik, na dudurugin ng durog ang lahat ng masasamang pananampalataya. At yan ang nakita nating ginawa ng sugod ng Diyos sa huling araw.
Kahalaga nito sapagkat dito tayo makatitiyak na ang ating sinusunod at ang ating tinutupad sa ating mga paglilingkod sa Diyos ay mga kalooban nga ng Panginoon Diyos.
That is the legacy, the evidence, the proof that even if we did not see them personally, the young people now, there was such a man used by God to teach His words. They're gone, but the teachings they left are alive.